Today, I'll guide you through the setup and use of the AKG N9 Hybrid Over-Ear headphones. We'll cover everything from initial setup, using the dongle, to resetting the device. Let's start with the unboxing. The package contains the AKG N9 headphones, which has all kinds of cool features such as a turnable ear cup to change the volume, carrying case, 2.4 GHz USB-C dongle, USB-C to USB-A adapter, 3.5mm audio jack flight adapter, 3.5mm audio cable, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. To use the AKG N9, start by powering on the headphones. Next, choose a connection method. You have three options. You can use the regular 3.5mm audio cable, the built-in wireless Bluetooth connection, or use the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle for connecting to devices for a more stable connection, or connecting to devices without a Bluetooth option. You can connect your headphones to your preferred device using the 3.5mm audio cable. However, please note that if the headphones are not powered on while using the cable, features like ANC, Ambient Aware, and Talk Through will not be available. To use the built-in Bluetooth connection, simply slide the power button downwards. The LED will display a blinking blue light indicating that pairing mode is active. Locate the AKG N9 on your preferred device, such as your phone, and connect. To connect your headphones to a device like a PC using the dongle, start by sliding the cover on the left ear cup to reveal the dongle. Take out the dongle and insert it into your preferred device. Power on the headphones, and they should automatically connect. If the connection doesn't happen automatically, you can manually pair the headphones by following these steps. Hold the power button on the headphones downwards for 10 seconds until the LED starts blinking white. Then, press and hold the button on the dongle for 5 seconds until its LED also blinks white. Your headphones are now connected to the dongle. You're not limited to just one connection method at a time. You can easily switch between the Bluetooth and dongle connection. There are 3 ways to do this. You can just slide the power button downwards twice, and the connection will be switched. The second option is to tap the button on the dongle twice, and the third option is to use the AKG Headphones app to switch sources. Maximize your AKG headphones experience with the AKG Headphones app. Customize your sound with ambient sound, smart audio modes, and high-res audio. Fine-tune call settings and manage your headphones seamlessly with gesture controls for a fully immersive audio experience. To reset your headphones, simply press and hold the play and ambient aware button for 5 seconds. This will reset your headphones to factory settings.